Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are getting our front windshield of our Ford Escape replaced. I called a company that I found online. This piece right here, I'm asking him about it, and he's telling me that it's called a cowl. Okay, I don't know what it's for, but I know it kind of covers the bottom. And I'm gonna get a little close. That's where the rock had hit our windshield. We were on the highway traveling from Chicago coming to Indianapolis, and the rock fell off a truck and did that to the windshield. It was very scary when a rock hits your window, and it cracked it. And what made the crack worse is taking the car through the car wash. That's something you should not do because all it did was you just pop, 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 and more cracks start forming through the windshield that wasn't there before. So what he's doing here is he's taking some type of device and he's running it along the seam line where there's an adhesive that actually causes the windshield to stick in the frame of the vehicle. And I didn't know how this was gonna work. I've never seen him I seen him do like a passenger window and stuff like that, but I never seen nobody do a front windshield. So he literally just goes around the perimeter to get this device in this. You see him pulling? See that? Yeah. To pull to get that adhesive. It's some type of like real thick putty type glue-like substance that they put inside to hold that window in place and to keep it waterproof. Okay, so he kind of, now my camera kind of going up and down because actually I'm having a full conversation with a friend of mine on my other phone, and then I'm using this phone here to record record everything that's happening. So I'm gonna let y'all watch this a little bit and y'all can see how he gets this off. Okay, so here he uses some type of like pry bar or something. I don't know what you want to call the device, but he's going down to the bottom part. Oh, look, see, take his head and push up the window. Once he gets the bottom pried away and he's spraying something down in there, and the window just popped right out. Just popped right out. He said he's been doing this type of work with windows for like, I think 15 years. So he's been doing it quite a while. So I'm gonna let y'all watch this. Okay, so right here is where the gentleman is removing the front windshield with his own might and muscle. I was truly amazed because I thought they was going to use that suction cup arm thingy that you see on Safelite, but no, they don't. Now he is removing the excess adhesive. See, he threw it down. Look at my neighbor. My neighbor coming over. He coming over to check things out. That's okay, yeah. We needed to get it done. Yeah, so he's removing that excess adhesive all the way around the frame where the window was. He just did it so smooth. But I'm gonna let y'all keep watching. Okay, so here is the brand new glass that is, or front windshield that is about to go in there. He got it sitting out there, and he's cleaning the frame where the new glass is going to be going in at with some type of spray. Don't get me wrong, I did not get the name of the spray, but he's wiping it all down so it's nice and clean. And then he has to add some new adhesive, which comes in this black bag, like it's like a cylinder like bag, and it squeezes out real thick like. So he had to clean both sides of the glass in order to, I guess, to let it make it stick properly. Oh, he's professional though. He knows exactly what he's doing. Okay, as you can see, he is putting the black adhesive, and that's like an electric gun. That gun runs off a battery pack on it, which I've never seen them like that before. Instead of the regular caulking guns that you kind of hold the nozzle down, it just comes out. It's battery operated, and he put that big thick film of black seal around that area, and then he takes that little device and kind of smear it together on the areas where he stopped and start. It kind of goes into that, and then he just gets ready to put the glass in there. Okay, as you can see, the glass is in. He's using some type of window cleaner to clean the new glass really well. He did an excellent job. I would definitely use his service again. I did get his business card. I was really impressed. He put the rear view mirror back on with no problems. Everything, you would think that the glass was never even broken. I mean, I know my footage on this kind of sucks a little bit, but I was trying to get y'all the best view that I can get. It's real shiny. I'm really impressed with his company. And I'm so glad y'all stayed to watch it till the end. If you have any comments, please hit me down below. If you're in the Indianapolis area, I can give you his information on getting your new window put in right at your house without paying the fees of Safelite and all those other big name companies. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day. God bless.